how to change your profile picture on Indrive. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Indrive application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and now you will see the option for your name on top of your screen. So tap on your name on top of your screen and then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to make changes to your profile picture. So tap on your profile picture option you see there, and now you will be required to position your face within the frame. You can also tap on the album option you see there in order to add pictures from your album, or you can simply position your face within the frame in order to take a picture. So once you have your desired picture as your profile picture, go ahead and adjust if required and then tap on the choose option you see there, and finally tap on the use this as profile picture option you see there, and with this your profile picture on Indrive will be changed. So this was about how you can change your profile picture on Indrive. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.